My name is Wanda. Welcome back to my channel, The Art of Decor. Today, I am so excited to share with you my Valentine's Day 2022 tablescape. Let's get started. Here, what I simply did is just cut a sheet of paper into 4 squares. And then I took one of the squares and started folding and rolling it from one corner. And once you roll it from one corner of the paper, it will form a cone shape. You simply secure it with a piece of scotch tape and voila, look, you put it in your cone holder or in a coffee cup or a wine glass. Simple to do. And as we continue, I'm just going to walk you through the tablescape. Here we see the final product. I plan on putting chips in those for Valentine's Day. And here you simply see the color scheme that I used. I used various shades of red, burgundy, and a little bit of off pinkish reds. True reds in the flowers and burgundy in the flowers. This is the wine vessel. We don't drink wine, so we're going to fill it with non-alcoholic drinks. But I just want to share with you the tablescape. I'm using 3 wine glasses. And I decided to do a little bit of traditional and contemporary on the centerpiece. So that's why you see 2 centerpieces, because I just like to do things a little bit different each year to keep the excitement and keep the eye candy going and just make the experience appealing and memorable. Here's an overview. You can see the cake and you see the centerpieces, the wine glasses, and the actual place settings. Oh yeah, I add a little bit of shimmer to the table in burgundy just to add interest. I didn't want it to be bold. I just wanted it to be a background shimmer. And that's why you can still see the tablescape through the shimmer, which is something I absolutely love. Now, moving on. I put each person's name on the place setting, and the place setting is hearts this year. Again, hearts, but it's in red and burgundy. And I cut those out using a laser cutter. I cut it out in acrylic, and then I spray painted the acrylic gold. You can buy color acrylic, but I decided to buy clear acrylic. And that's it. Me sharing my all in all. Good night.